Hello everyone, my name is Pastor Rolly Espanto. For today's video, I will share with you the 4 reasons people become selfish. Have you ever wondered how someone could be so selfish? To answer that question and to help you avoid that same pitfall, here is a list of 4 reasons why people become selfish. Number 1, they make the choice to be selfish. We must make a decision not to be selfish, even if we don't feel like it. I have found that as you act on your decision, that feelings will come. Second, they take for granted the joy of giving. Not only will an unselfish act bring joy to others, but the giver will receive joy as well. Third, they have unrenewed thinking. We're all born naturally selfish, but it doesn't mean we must stay that way. We need to put selfless thoughts in and selfish thought out. Fourth, they're unthankful. Unthankfulness will use people to become selfish. People who are unthankful stop recognizing the goodness of others. Therefore, they develop unwillingness to give. That's all. Thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Bye.